Good morning! It's our last day in Zurich and we are here at the Old Town.
Old Town, Altstadt,
Yeah,
Bahnhofstrasse.
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 So, ayan. Kung ano nyo, dito puro shopping yan. Look, yan, puro shopping na yan. Last day na namin, so walking lang until mamayang gabi, hapon. Hi! See you guys, so I don't think meron kaming mabibili. Dahil mahal masyado. So, sa UK na lang. Okay para sa Poundland, no? Kaya B&M, no? Wala kayong B&M dito, walang Poundland dito.
Oo lang.
Off lang. Okay. Okay, bye. Where are we now?
Somewhere.
Somewhere.
In Old Town.
In Old Town. We are in the proper Old Town.
Palabas na.
There you go, we're back here at Ikuchi for our last lunch. So magkakakulit ako ngayon. At si Mami ay
I want onion soup.
onion soup. Right? You can use it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Ibang klaseng cheese to. Ay hindi, isang klaseng cheese lang pala. That's it. Hanggang sa matunaw. And then, you can prepare it. Yes. Okay. That's it. Okay.
Dinito.
Another one here. Yeah, for later. Okay. And then now you eat. You eat this. Yeah. I don't know what's this. With jacket potato. Ayan, naubos ko na ang jacket potato.